Hi, this is Brett Bonecutter with Monarch Capital on Friday the 13th, 2014. I would say happy Friday the 13th, but I'm not sure I can say that. All right, well anyway, if you've seen this before, you know that we're looking at a bond chart, which is kind of counterintuitive, but every vertical line represents a day. As the lines go up, rates go down, and vice versa. So you can see that really since the beginning of June, for the better part of the past 2 weeks, rates have been slowly drifting up. Nothing major, but they've drifted a bit. You may have seen your rate change as much of 1/4% and maybe about a point in cost to change here just in the course of 2 weeks. That's how fast things can change. You know, I've been encouraged that the past few days we've moved basically sideways. However, and today we looked pretty good, but what kind of concerned me a little bit was yesterday. You can see the crazy volatility. I mean, it was down and up and down. And that's always kind of a concern to me, that the market is just really uncertain about this level. In other words, it's the chances of it going sideways for any length of time is probably not real good. So I do think that we're at a somewhat of a tipping point here as it relates to this range. The economic data isn't good, which would be generally favorable for rates. And we'd expect to see things climb up a bit. And today we did see, rates fighting back. However, from a strictly technical perspective, if you just look at sort of the directionality of bonds, it sure looks like we're in a downward channel here. What does that mean for rates? Well, this is kind of where rates are. Again, we've just edged up a little bit this week. Things have gotten slightly more expensive, but we're still really good. 30-year fixed in the low 4s. And 15-year fix in the low to mid 3s. So again, super good. It's all about managing your risk and managing your expectations. So whether you're doing a refi or purchase, just make sure that you know the kind of range of outcomes and what you can live with. Don't get too aggressive. At some point, you've got to just lock and walk, meaning don't read the newspaper anymore. Don't not that anybody reads newspapers anymore, but don't torture yourself. Once you lock, you just want to move on with life. You can always revisit it at a later time if the market allows. That's the update for today. Have a great and safe weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.